Hi friends, this is MD Noori Akbar. Let's start our video. The Indus Valley Civilization is named after the Indus River system in whose alluvial plains the early sites of the civilization were identified and excavated. The Indus civilization was roughly contemporary with the other riverine civilizations of the ancient world. Egypt along the Nile, Mesopotamia in the lands watered by the Euphrates and the Tigris rivers, and China in the drainage basin of the Yellow River and the Yangtze River. The Indus Valley civilization extended from Pakistan's Balochistan in the west to India's western Uttar Pradesh in the east, from northeastern Afghanistan in the north to India's Gujarat state in the south. The largest number of sites are in Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir states in India, and Sindh, Punjab, and Balochistan provinces in Pakistan. Coastal settlements extended from Sutkagan Dor in western Balochistan to Lothal in Gujarat. The southernmost site of the Indus Valley civilization is Daimabad in Maharashtra. As seen in Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and Rakhi-Gharhi, this urban plan included the world's first known urban sanitation systems, that is, hydraulic engineering of the Indus Valley civilization. Within the city, individual homes or groups of homes obtained waters from wells. Wastewater, bath used water, food kitchen used water was directed to cover the drains which lined the major streets. The Harappans made many big structures to small various toys and games. Among them was the cubicle dice, wheel toys which were like the humans and animals, which were found in sites like Mohenjo-daro. Number of gold, terracotta, and stone figures were found. These terracotta figures included cows, bears, monkeys, and dogs. The animal depicted on a majority of seals at sites had not been clearly identified. Many gold items were also found, which were dated back to 4000 BC. A handful of realistic statues have been found at IVC sites, of which much the most famous is the lost wax casting bronze statue of a slender-limbed dancing girl adorned with bangles found in Mohenjo-daro. There were seals showing a man fighting two tigers, which means a fighter of those times and a warrior who was very brave. The Indus civilization's economy appears to have depended significantly on trade, which was facilitated by major advances in transport technology. The IBC may have been the first civilization to use wheeled transport. These have included bullock carts as well as boats, were small, flat-bottomed, and were driven by sail. These parts tell us about the trade between them. The cattle that are portrayed on Indus seals are similar to Zebu cattle that are spread from the Near East into northwest India. Finnish Indologist Asko Parpola concludes that the uniformity of the Indus inscriptions precludes any possibility of widely different languages being used, and that an early form of Dravidian language must have been the language of the Indus people. Between 400 and 600 distinct Indus symbols have been found on seals, a small tablet, ceramic pots, and more than a dozen other materials. Most of them are no more than 3 to 4 inscriptions long. Indus Valley lacks any monumental palaces, even though excavated cities suggest that religious ceremonies, if any, may have been largely confined to individual homes, small temples, or the open air. But at present only the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro is widely thought to have been so used as a place for ritual purification and cremation.